everybody. So I am out here at Jones Gap State Park in Marietta, South Carolina, and we have a photo challenge going on at the Queen Photographers page. And so basically our photo challenge is to shoot water. And so let me get some good light. What happened to my light? Ooh. So water is our photo challenge. And so I decided to actually come to the waterfall and shoot some water here and get some good shots, like some styled shots. So Toya actually came out here with me, and Sasha Q Photography, and Toya brought some dresses and everything, and she took it there. So she got us out here in rompers and some formal dresses and all kinds of stuff. But it's really fun. So right now we didn't get to go all the way to the waterfall because it's actually like an actual 45-minute hike from where we are. So we just stopped where we saw some really nice water flowing from the waterfall, and we just decided to kind of stop here and get some shots. So that's what we're doing now, and I'm gonna just take you all with me as we capture Sasha Q Photography.
Another one bites the dust.
Okay, now
you cannot fall again with a dress on, no ma'am.
Just believe.
We are wet, y'all. Like, so I knew I was gonna do good. I had a rain boots and everything.
Frozen.
I was prepared to not fall in the water. So who fell first? Sasha
fell first.
Sasha fell first.
Then it was me.
Yeah, because she laughed. And then it was me because I laughed. So yeah.